We are talking about how to replace a toilet flush valve flapper. The flapper valve sits down inside the toilet tank. Here's the new flapper valve, comes with the chain. So first thing you want to do is shut off the water to the toilet. And down inside the tank, you can see the old flapper valve that we're going to remove now. It unclips. And then unclip the chain from the lever. So the new one has two mounting options. You can slide it down over the fill tube. That's what that round rubber circle is you see here on the left. Or in my case, you can see the two cut lines on the new flapper, and you can cut off that round circular part, and you're just left with a flapper that has the two ears that will attach to the tabs on the bottom of the fill tube. Make sure you reattach your chain. And adjust the chain slack. You want a little bit of slack in the chain, but not too much slack because it won't flush properly. And if there's too much slack in the chain can actually end up falling down when you flush the toilet between the flapper and the seat, causing the toilet to continually run, and you'll waste a lot of water. So a little bit of slack in the chain, but not too much. And there's also different holes drilled in the lever arm there that you can see. So find which hole best works and adjust properly. Then when you're done, turn the water back on and test it out and make sure it doesn't leak, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover.